Wow, it's the month of August and I'm so excited. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to all of you. Thank you for your birthday wishes yesterday. I took the time to read all the messages and I'm so grateful. Thank you so very much for your outpouring of love. This is the first day of August and I'm so excited. You know, there are times when you have things that you want to do and you feel like you don't have the strength, to achieve your goals. You feel weak. But praise be to God, in Christ Jesus, you can exchange your strength for His strength. Read today's Rhapsody of Realities and you get to find out how you can make this divine exchange. Remember, if you're not yet a partner, click on the link. If you don't have the Rhapsody app yet, click on the link. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. God bless you.